can ride disco with superstar disco. We can ride looking like a superfly disco. And you can ride disco and we can fly disco. And you can ride looking like a superfly disco. We can ride.
All right, guys, this just came in today. It is our all-new MISHIMOTO radiator reservoir. And so this is how it looks like without the plastic cover. Wow, this is, wow, look at the weld on this.
Yeah.
Damn, it's really well built. A lot stronger than plastic. This is solid aluminum. And it also comes with the hardware here. So we're using an 8mm to loosen the top 2 bolts. And then there's a third one down there. All right, so this part right here is kind of tight. So I'm the one doing it. And it's coming, let's see now. Oh yeah, it's coming loose already.
So it has a clip here. So I think you just need to push and then you pull it away.
So she just pressed on that tab
And then
and lift it up
yeah,
right there.
Just be careful.
And she is now working on the bottom tube. After removing those hoses, we're now going to unscrew the top. We just finished tilting it, and here's some of the coolant. So we're now using the pliers to disconnect that metal clamp. We finally pulled it out. I saved the coolant.
Yeah.
And I'm going to dump it in our coolant place. So this is the only kind of difficult part because of the position is this third screw at the bottom because you don't have that much space, but we got it though. Tightening the last bolt. Oh, this one's super tight already, and that one's super tight, and this one down here is super tight. She finished removing the cover case, and she's now gonna plug the upper and lower hoses. So we're now getting all the water or the fluids from the reservoir, and we're now going to transfer it all there.
Yeah.
She just finished pouring the first batch, and she's now off to the second batch. And after this, we're gonna check to see if there's any leaks. All right, all done. And we're now closing it up. And after this, that's it. After this, we're gonna see if there's any leaks. Starting the Bronco. And let's see how everything is. Wow. There's so far no leaks. We got some coolant here. We got some more coolant, and we're gonna add some more. We're here at the Hawaiian Kitchen, one of our favorite spots. So we got ourselves chili pepper chicken, 3-piece, rice and macaroni salad, 8 ounces of ahi poke with some wonton chips, lily koi drink, and spicy garlic shrimp with rice and macaroni salad. Okay, let's do this. And now with our new ladder, I can actually clean up and reach all the way across the hood.